Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about Constraint Manager. From previous video, we have successfully loaded a board file in OrCAD PCB Editor or PCB Designer. Now we will learn about Constraint Manager. Before starting PCB designing, obviously from our schematic, we need to set some rules or constraints. These rules can be electrical or physical or maybe something else depending upon your design. But in general way, then these rules will be your track thickness, spacing between two tracks, maximum length of your track, and many more. And all these rules we will set in the constraint manager. Now let us open the constraint manager, and you can access the constraint manager from here on the top toolbar. Just click it once and the constraint manager will be launched. And this is our constraint manager, and you can also go to the constraint manager from setup. Just go to setup, constraint, and here is the constraint manager.